Hello and welcome to CloudFolks HUB. My name is Bhavesh Atara. We are doing our API Gateway Lab and we have divided this lab into the 4 parts. This is a fourth and final part of our lab. Here we are going to test entire process. Let's start. We have our DynamoDB table ready. We have all APIs ready. We have also created API gateway. Now the missing part is front-end app, because without front-end app, how we are going to test this, right? I'm going to explain you this. So this is final step, test the full API workflow using Postman. So question is, what is Postman? Postman is a kind of tool that you can easily download from the internet. It is a free tool, so you can go to Google, just get download link and install this. Now once you download this tool, Postman, you will get screen like this. So we don't need to build entire front end. With this particular tool Postman, we can easily test our entire functionality. Okay, so we just need to download this tool Postman. That's all. Now we are going to test this entire process. Now we have created 3 Lambda functions and connected them via API gateway. It's time to test everything using Postman. So what we are testing, we will check all 3 API routes. Right now we have these 3 routes, and for API URL, invoke URL, you have to go to your API and here you will get this invoke URL, right? Okay. How to test each? First of all, we are going to test create user functionality. Keep this in mind. I am using this Postman tool. I am now triggering this from the outside world. This is a tool which is installed in my computer. Okay. Even you can install this in a kind of mobile device and then you can test this. But the matter is, we are testing this entire process out of AWS. Previously, we tested it directly from Lambda. Now I am testing it from outside world. Okay. So first of all, we need to provide our invoke URL. This is invoke URL. And we have this route for user, right? So here I am going to type this. We want to go with the post, so I am going to choose post, and we have this route which is /user, so we have to write user over here. Now this is going to add a new record, okay? So we have to add data as well, but before this I am going to my DynamoDB. This is my table and I am verifying that I don't have any record, right? Explore table, look at this, I don't have any record. So in Postman, we have all this facility. In order to add record, what you can do, you can go to the body. Here you need to choose JSON and you can add record like this. For your comfort level, I have this added record over here. You just need to copy and paste it into the Postman. So I have this already there. So I'm not going to copy paste this. It is there. Now I'm going to click on send. It is a post, invoke URL /user. Now when I will click over here on send, it will add this record. Let me click on send. Message user created successfully means my entire flow is working perfectly. Now I am going to verify this, refresh, and here 101 Kabir at example.com and name is Kabir. Everything is working perfectly. And my API gateway is routing to the correct API as well. So yeah, it's working. Now we are going to test get user. Now get user is actually going to provide us record detail, right? So first of all, I have to go to the Postman again. Here I will go for get. Now when we are going for the get, we have to provide user ID, right? Look at this, the route we have here. User ID, user/user ID. Now we have this one record only 101. So I am going to add here it is like a user ID. So how we can add?